The road kept folding into longer roads. The ridgeline broke into another ridge. Every distant thing grew distance of its own. Fence post shrinking toward the evening light, all the fields stitched into thinner fields, every border hiding one more borderline. The horizon moved before the feet arrived. Way up past the treeline bend where the cold stars never end, something stayed awake. Way up past the treeline bend, past every name invention lens, something would not break. Way up past the treeline bend, all the roads seemed to extend farther than the map could make. Every room became a smaller room, every roof revealed a higher roof. Every answer left an outline on the wall. Church bells carrying across October air, sound arriving long before the tower showed everything unfinished by design. The horizon moved before the feet arrived. Way up past the treeline bend where the county lights grow thin, something pulled the wire. Way up past the treeline bend, every finish seemed to bend toward another spire. Way up past the treeline bend, every answer entered in, only fed the fire. Nothing up there, nothing hidden, nothing waiting. Just another version of the same old room, a bigger room, a taller room, a room with better windows. People call it greatness, people call it purpose. Mostly it's looking at everything you have and feeling insulted by it. Way up past the treeline bend where the cold stars never end, nothing waited there. Way up past the treeline bend, all the shapes refuse to end, dissolving into air. Way up past the treeline bend, every staircase learned to send another staircase there. Way up the tree line bend, and farther still.